Welcome back, YouTube. Weekend Reviews here with another video for you, unboxing and a review. This one comes from My Little T LLC. They donated these GCaps to us. We're going to do an unboxing real quick and show you what they look like. Then we're going to get them cleaned up, and then we're going to do a test run on them. So we got the GCap right here, spill-proof stretchable bottle cap. So they claim that it's spill-proof, but they don't 100% leak-proof it, which is okay with me. Got a little messy man right here. So he's the one that's gonna be testing it out. He's gonna spill his cup over and see how much comes out. This is the GCap, women owned, by the way. Like the packaging, check that out. They have it all wrapped up nice and neat.
Are you put a jelly fruit in it?
No, we don't have jelly fruits this weekend. That was last weekend, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is just a GCap. So here's what it looks like before we open up the package. It's easy to use. Got the steps on the back how to use it. We're gonna get it cleaned up for you, and we'll be right back. All right, YouTube, got the GCaps all cleaned up and everything. So what this does is it stretches over the bottle. It's got a little insert for straws. We've got two different kinds of straws that we're gonna try. We've got a restaurant straw and just a straw that we have here at the house that we use, washable straw. So you wanna go ahead and slide him over a drink there. You wanna pop your cap off. I'll pop my cap off. Come on there, strong kid. Need help? All right. Devon's not feeling really good today, but he promised he'd help me with this video, so we're getting this video taken care of. All right, so we're gonna stretch this over your bottle right here. Just like that. Let me see your bottle. All right. Uh-oh, got the coffees. All right, you try this straw, stick it in there. I'm gonna put mine on. All right, I think I got it on there. Go ahead and stick your straw in. Okay, it takes the straws, no problem, at least mine. Need help? There we go. I'm gonna take a sip. Well, I unplugged that, didn't I? Put it back on there. Well, let's see if it spills out when I knock it over. Nope. Comes out the straw a little bit, but that's okay. What you see come on the table right here is just from when it came out of the straw. But let me get a towel. Clean this up and we'll retest it. Here we go, folks. Look at that, spill proof. Comes out of the straw a little bit, but by the time that's coming out, you'd already have it picked up. No big deal. What do you think? Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, thumbs down what? 2 thumbs up? Thanks once again, My Little T's LLC. Go to Amazon, check them out. They're the ones that sells the GCap bottle caps for kids. Spill proof, BPA free. Check out My Little T's LLC in the description link below. Go to Amazon, check their store out, and make sure you get some GCaps from them. Thanks once again for checking out Weekend Reviews. We'll see you next weekend. Please like, share, and subscribe.